So with the installation light company, as you're growing it, how do you dominate a space like that? It's a very unique space.
For what?
The Christmas light installation.
Dominating the market, I don't know that anyone can dominate the Houston market. The Houston market's probably one of the biggest markets in the planet, probably, for Christmas lights, between Florida and Houston and DFW. You know, I would say there's probably about 2 million people that have Christmas lights on their house in Houston. And what are you going to do, 500? You know, you're going to do 1,000? So the only way to really dominate the market is you can only do what you can do. So it's just the select, you get your select choice, your select cut of all the leads coming in. I want the big jobs. I want the $100,000 jobs, and let everyone else have the $300 to $500 grandma's house, even though we started that. You know, those. And then I figured maybe I can't install everyone, but I can sell the materials. So ChristmasContractor.com, we sell materials. So I do about 5,000 properties a season through all the contractors that buy from us, but you can only personally do about 500-600 personally, you know, big commercial properties and stuff.
How are you able to get in touch with those type of people, for people that are looking to land those big jobs? Not even like just in general.
I think it's once you like right now you're on this right here. You say, how do you get in touch with someone doing this? It's like once everyone knows that you're doing, or a few people know, it's like a gravitational pull. It all comes to you. The one big HOA, they know someone that runs 6 other HOAs, and they know someone who also runs 6 or 7. So you get into that space and you get into that room and you do a good job on this one, it turns into 10. It just keeps multiplying as long as you keep your values and quality in the right place. And that's how it catapulted for us in a big way.
Yeah.